Hello everyone, welcome to I Must Gate Academy. Do you know what opportunities you will have after cracking the GATE 2025 exam? So let's see the answer of this question on the official website of GATE 2025. Check it out. When you will go to the home page, here you can see opportunities. Here you can see all the available opportunities for you after cracking the GATE 2025 exam. Dear students, yes, you are having option for cracking, surely after cracking the GATE exam, you are having option for going to the master's program. You can see here, you can valid GATE score can be used for seeking admission to master program and direct doctoral program in engineering, technology, architecture, science, commerce, arts and humanities also. Even here it will give you the stipend also. They mention clearly कि qualifying GATE score can be used for seeking financial assistance towards master program. When you will enroll in the master program, you will get the stipend also to in engineering, doctor program in engineering, technology and all these branches. Other than this, financial assistance given to MTech student is rupees 12,400 per month and generally paid for the 22 months. Okay, PG scholarship they mention here, you can see and you can check it out. Other than this, financial assistance given for the PhD programs, direct PhD after BE, BTech, MSc equivalent with a valid GATE score is rupees 37,000 per month for the first 2 years and rupees 42,000 per month from the 3rd to the 5th year. This is Ministry of Finance, Department of Expenditure. They mention here, you can see this one. So this is the first opportunity. Second opportunity, lots of PSUs will be open for you. Look at here. Now, here many public sector undertakings have been using the GATE score in their recruitment process. Here it is mentioned Airport Authority of India, AAI, BHEL, BSNL, okay, Coal India Limited, Center for the Railway Information, CVPPL, DVC, ECIL, Engineers India Limited, GAIL already released. I will tell you, few already released their notification that they will recruit on the basis of GATE 25 and sooner or later remaining will be released up to the result of GATE 25. Okay, you can see NLCIL, NPCIL, NTPC, Odisha Power Generation Corporation Limited, ONGC, Power Grid, lots of SAIL and etc. So lots of the PSUs are available for you. And as I told you, few of them already released. They mention about till now to NPCIL and Grid India only. So NPCIL will be using GATE 25 result for the chemical, civil, EC, EE, and mechanical test paper. And Grid India will be using GATE 25 results of the EE. For more information, you can check our YouTube channel where I cover whatever the recruitment release for the GATE 25. You can see here PGCL vacancy through GATE 25. Okay, more you can see here, more you can see. Yes, BSPHCL will also GTO, they will recruit on the basis of GATE 25 or the GATE exam. NLC India, they release their notification for the GATE 25. Grid India Limited release their notification for the GATE 25. NTPC release their notification. Okay, you can see UPPCL AE also recruiting through GATE 2025 exam. And other than this, you can see, dear students, more opportunities are here surely. So I will show you GAIL India. Yeah, so GAIL executive trainee through GATE 225, they also release their official notification. Coal India release their official notification. So you can see branch wise they release. So more opportunities surely will be available for you. Till now these are available, but surely, as I told you here on the official website, you can see these PSUs will be recruited on the basis of GATE 25. So you are having surely lots of opportunity. So prepare very hard. Okay, score very well in the upcoming GATE 25 exam. So you will have multiple opportunities to make your future bright. Stay connected to I Must Gate Academy YouTube channel.